The world is on the move, and with it moves forward mankind in leaps and bounds. We now live in a planet interconnected and in touch, in an era of globalization and technology that is evolving even now as we speak, the era of the internet. So how did we get here? Let's look back. It all started in the 60s when the US funded research to build robust, fault-tolerant and distributed computer networks for its military. This spawned worldwide participation in the development of new networking technologies that ultimately led to the commercialization and boom of an international network in the mid-90s. Now look around you. The internet has touched virtually every aspect of modern human life. An estimated quarter of Earth's population now uses the services of the internet. Hence the world of today, progressing forward, online and always connected. Well, almost always. You see, for a lot of us, accessing the internet is not without its problems. Often it is too slow, unnecessarily expensive, or simply inaccessible due to bad network coverage. Let's take a look a little closer to home and see where we're really at. Statistically, only about 3% of Bangladeshis currently have access to the internet, one of the lowest penetration rates in the world. And yet, there is incredible scope for the internet to play a leading role in the country's development in all sorts of ways. For the vision of digital Bangladesh to become a working reality, however, we need network access that is truly world-class in performance. And that is precisely where we come in. Always On Network Bangladesh is a joint venture between AON, a US-based wireless internet provider, and a group of non-residential Bangladeshi entrepreneurs and technologists. We provide high-speed broadband wireless internet services with a mission to build a nationwide internet network using wireless transmission equipment, complemented by optical fiber subnetworks in order to provide world-class internet connectivity to the whole country. Dr. Riaz Shahid, Managing Director and CEO of Always On, was a senior research engineer with Intel Corporation in Portland, Oregon for the last 11 years.